Hello, Blue Ocean of Compliance readers. I started my company Blue Ocean Compliance in 2020, and it is more than 3 years, right? Or so this journey was very interesting, and many times you will surprised to know that in these 3 years I worked with more than 15 pharmaceutical industries, and yes, all projects are successful. Means my the purpose with I whenever I associated with any organization with any specific purpose, so I got 100% success in my projects. Yes, the first company I started working was in API manufacturing company. So that API manufacturing company has qualified EDQM with no critical and no major observations. Yes, and now they have qualified the US FDA also. So it is a great success. And whenever my any client gets success, so I feel very happy. And do you have the experience that when your child has passed the exam or qualified any exam, and they have become successful, and you might have put a lot of efforts for their success? So the same, do you remember the how you were feeling at those time, and how happy you were? So the same feeling I'm having for my client, that whenever they get the success, or whenever they become successful, so the same feeling I'm having for my clients. Yes. And another, after that one formulation project was there. So in that formulation projects, means many projects are there with pharmaceutical companies. So here I am sharing with you some case studies. So after that I worked one formulation company, so for preparation of the US FDA inspection, done their pre-inspection audits and guided them and provided the training that how to face the regulatory inspection successfully. And it was just mock practice, and a lot of review was there. So they have also qualified the US FDA with 0483, not only once but 2 times. So so in this way my all clients are successful, and every project is 100% successful. And not only this, but one project was very critical. The audit was very critical, but yes, proper work was done. And I think they are also out of issues, and on the path of becoming the successful. And there are many projects, so there are many training programs were there. So I could bring the transformation in the mind of the people, and their thought process have changed. People have started thinking differently. In fact, after attending the training, they have developed the quality to identify the gaps in their own facility. In fact, without doing the audit, with the training programs, they started identifying the gaps on their site, and they have started filling those gaps. So it is the wonderful experience I have received in these years. And means all my clients and their people who were working on the site are very happy, and they are successful. And means I could see the transformation, and they also could see the changes on their side, that how differently they started behaving after attending the training. In fact, there are many case studies where there was some disagreements between the production and QA and different departments, right? So after attending the training, they have started cooperating with each other. They started working together to fill the gaps. In fact, they have come to QA and compliance, that yes, these are the things, these are the problems, guide us how we can solve this. So these are the few examples where the changes have been identified. And a lot of case studies are there where a lot of changes are observed on the manufacturing side. So in this way I could I can tell that yes, my all projects are 100% successful, and with the whatever expectations were there of the manufacturers or the senior people, I could give or deliver my 100% to them, and I am happy that they are happy. So that the wonderful experiences of my Blue Ocean compliance journey. And yes, these 3 years are really very interesting. Let me tell you that in these 3 years a lot of things have happened. I have written the book Blue Ocean of Compliance, and it has become the international best-selling book on Amazon, and it is going all across the world, in Germany, UK, Bangladesh, and all over India it is going, and it is very successful. And there are many countries, means it is performing internationally very good, and people are getting the results. And many times it happens that whenever I go to attend the exhibition or some seminar, so people come and tell me that ma'am, I have read your book and it is very good. So I become happy. I get the happiness that yes, whatever contributions and whatever efforts I have put to write the book, and people are getting the results. So in that way, this journey is really very wonderful and amazing. You know, I have no words to tell that how I am feeling today if I look back in this journey. So I thought that I should share my journey with you, that what has happened, and a lot of stories are there, a lot of struggle is there, a lot of success is there. And yes, during my 23 years of the experience working in the pharmaceutical industry, so all whatever experiences I have received, what I have learned from shop floor to topmost level, so everything I try to share with you, so that with my experience someone can be benefited and they can do something great in their lives. And that is the efforts I always keep, that is the efforts I always try to put. But yes, one more thing I wanted to give you one message, that I wanted to give one message, that don't think that only technical knowledge will help you to grow, right? There are a lot of factors, a lot of elements are there which are responsible for the success, and if you will neglect those elements, so there is a doubt that you will be successful, or you can qualify any regulatory inspection with no observations. So people don't know, but the organizations who have qualified the regulatory inspection with 0483 or with no observations, they have worked on those elements knowingly or unknowingly. So that's why they are successful. You know, have you ever thought that why few companies are getting the warning letter, and why few people or few companies are getting success in international regulatory audits? So what is the reason? You know, someone might have says that winners don't do different things, but they do things differently. So the people who are getting success in audit, who are qualifying the regulatory inspection with no observations, so they are doing things differently. So those different things, and I think I've shared about 25% the things in Blue Ocean of Compliance book, and there are many books upcoming. They are in pipeline. So Compliance Fuel, that is another book I have announced, and I'm also working on that, and I'm in process of writing that book. So it's going on, and it takes time. So I try to give something best to the society. I try to give something amazing to our pharma community, because you know, I have spent more than 24 years in pharmaceutical industry, and I think my whole life will be dedicated for pharmaceutical industry, that how I can contribute and what I can do for pharma professionals and pharmaceutical industries and drug manufacturers. So I will keep on doing and whatever comes in my mind, and I will keep on doing and working on those things. So in in that way, when I work on those elements, so yes, new ideas come, and in that way I keep on working. And shortly I'm thinking to means that is also in process, that some slogans or GMP posters I am making, and so that those thought processes will be always there in front of your eyes, and these thoughts will help you to change the mindset of the people. And if anyone forgets the thing, so they will keep you reminding this, yes, we have to go on some right track, right? We are going away from that track. So that is the purpose of bringing those things for you. And what happened in these 3 years, yes, I was invited as guest speaker in CPHI also. And yes, CPHI, I believe that it is the wonderful and the biggest exhibition of pharma industry in the world. And I love it. I love to join it or attend it. So that was also the amazing and wonderful experience. And when I was about to give the speech on the next day, and I lost my laptop on Delhi airport, and the people have helped me a lot, and I have made documented that journey also. And that also I recorded the message to share with all of you. So in that way, very good things have happened, and I got the wonderful people in my life. And yes, my all clients also means almost one or two experience I got, some which was proved to be as a learning. But my all clients are means almost every one of my client, they are very good people. And they also want to contribute great to the society, and want to manufacture the good quality of the medicines. And they are also on the path of who have qualified USFDA with no observation, ADQM no observation. They have come to that level. But yes, others are in process of becoming the company of highest compliance, and qualifying their regulatory inspection with no observations. So this compliance is a journey, right? In one day you cannot be successful in one day. So that message I wanted to give all of you. So with this, Dr. Rupali Paranspe signing out until we meet again. Bye.